The west wind. It's a warm wind, the west wind, full of birds' cries. I never hear the west wind, but tears are in my eyes. For it comes from the westlands, the old brown hills, and April's in the west wind and daffodils. It's a fine land, the westland, for hearts as tired as mine. Apple orchards blossom there, and the air's like wine. There is a cool green grass there where men may lie at rest, and the thrushes are in song there, fluting from their nest. Question 1. What is the rhyme scheme? Option A. A, B, B, A, C, C. Option B. Option B. A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Option C. A, B, B, C, C, D, D. Option D. A, B, B, C, B, C, C, D. Question 2. In the first line, what is the literary device in the words warm wind, the west wind? Option A, onomatopoeia. Option B, alliteration. Option C, rhyme. Option D, rhythm. Question number 3. The poem is written in option A, couplets, option B, stanzas, option C, quatrains, option D, cinquains. Question 4. In the last line, which word is an example of onomatopoeia? Option A, thrushes. Option B, song. Option C, fluting. Option D, nest. Question 5. Line 6 has a comparison. Blank is being compared to blank. Option A, song to a nest. Option B, air to wine. Option C, air to song. Option D, blossoms to air. Question number 6. Is the comparison in line 6 a simile or metaphor? Option A, simile. Option B, metaphor. Question number 7. The first line appeals to the sense of blank and the sense of blank. A, sight and taste. Option B, touch and sight. Option C, touch and sound. Option D, sound and smell. Question number 8. This kind of description which appeals to one or more of the 5 senses is called option A, similes. Option B, allusions. Option C, imagery. Option D, metaphors. Multiple choice. Circle the letter of the correct choice. Question number 9. Poetry that does not follow a specific form and does not have to rhyme is known as blank poetry. Option A, cinquain. Option B, free verse. Option C, tanka. Option D, limerick. Question number 10. Which kind of poetry tells a story with a plot, characters, and setting? Option A, narrative poetry. Option B, concrete poetry. Option C, lyrical poetry. Option D, diamantes. Question number 11. Metaphors, similes, onomatopoeia, and personification are all examples of what? Option A, figurative language. Option B, elements of poetry. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A or B. Matching. Match the correct literary device with the correct definition. Write the letter of the choices in the line of the question. Number 12. Wherever the trees are crying aloud. Number 13. The mouse beneath the stone is still as death. Number 14. Life is a broken winged bird. Number 15. Chirp, tweet. Number 16. Flickering, flitting fireflies. Number 17. Light and night. Number 18. I went to the market to buy a pear. I made a mistake and forgot to share.